Hey guys, today I'm doing a video on this 1970s Lakewood model S122X. The S122X originally came with a metal stand. This one has the holes for a metal stand, but it never came with the stand because it was removed at some point. The regular S122 never even had the holes for the stand. Anyway, this is a fan I picked up at a flea market where I also got my GE Whiz and Quiet Blade, if you saw those at some point. And this fan gave me nothing but trouble after I picked it up. First of all, I had the front bearing pop out of the front housing, motor housing there. I actually had to drill the entire bearing assembly out and get a new bearing retainer, and reassemble it with screws and some JB weld, and it's held together. And to add to that, I also had the blade fall off of a workbench, and not sure, this blade right here, not sure if you can see it, but there's a small hairline crack. The blade actually snapped halfway down the middle, and I had to repair that with some epoxy. But after all those issues, I finally got the fan back together. I used a Lakewood floor circulator fan for parts. I had the same motor. I used that's how I got the new bearing parts, and I got the fan back together. It's sort of a peach or tan color. Turn it to the side here. The original handle is intact and all that. It's got a little bit of rust and marks, but I've always wanted one of these little Lakewoods. Turn it to the back. It's got the Fastgo motor there and only has 3 broken grill slats. It's got the original cord, and turn it back to the front here. We'll start it up on low. It's very quiet, low speed. And then we'll turn it up to high. Rattles a little bit due to the busted blade, but otherwise it runs nice. And off. Alright, thanks for watching.